Your AC high pressure switch is an important safety device. It protects your system from dangerously high refrigerant pressure. It helps prevent compressor damage and overheating. When high pressure builds up, the switch shuts the unit off. Common causes of high pressure issues include dirty coils and restricted airflow. Warning signs of high pressure problems include AC shutting off unexpectedly. Routine maintenance helps keep pressures safe and ensures proper function. Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning provides you with reliable AC service.